Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Boxycharm box for February. So this is going to be the Boxycharm base box for February, and I actually have two here, so two different SKUs. I'm not sure why they sent me two, but at least it helps you guys out to see what you could be getting. Okay, so in base box number one, this is the box right here. Oh, shit. Oh, and before we get started, Boxycharm does send me these boxes. I'm not sponsored in any way, but they do send them to me as part of PR, so they are gifted. First up, we have the Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. Oh, it smells just like oranges. I want a mimosa. Ooh, it also just feels really light. I know you're supposed to use this on your face, but I obviously have makeup on right now because I'm gonna use some of the palettes that we have here. But this is a lightweight mask that works while you sleep to deliver moisture while targeting the look of aging, dullness, pores, stress, and texture. So it has a unique jelly texture that's crafted with yuzu fruit, which contains 3 times more vitamin C than any other citrus. You can definitely smell it. I just looked at the packaging here to read some of the ingredients, and like the third ingredient is niacinamide, which is amazing for your skin. So I'm definitely gonna be using this guy. Oh, and it is $29, which actually isn't bad for a sleep mask, especially with all those added benefits. Like, bitch, take away 10 years. I have this brush set. So this actually came in both of the boxes. I love this. Look how cute it is. I love these brushes. They have the little hearts in there. Very fitting for Valentine's Day. Let me take off a wrapping so you guys can see it without the shine. Very cute. These are the Glamierre Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection. Glittery, enchanting, and fun, this set features our 4 essential eye brushes, ultra soft duo synthetic bristles that make blending easy and flawless. And this is $29.95, which I feel like is a little pricey for a brush set. But I mean, these are like all of the essential brushes that you really need to do an eye look. So, I mean, it also comes with a case. I don't know. I guess to each their own. This is the Wander Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek. Ooh, so this packaging is pretty fun. Get ready to take your lips and cheeks on a double date. This lightweight duo pairs a sheer tint with a universal balm that can be used alone or layered on lips and cheeks. The sheer tint builds effortlessly onto skin, while the sheer shimmer-free balm provides a comfort, hydration, and glow. And this is $22, which is actually a pretty good price for 2 products here. This isn't something that I would typically use. I mean, maybe I would just use it as like a lip balm, but I really don't like cream blushes. They're just not my thing. I feel like they just make my face feel really greasy, and I already have pretty oily skin throughout the day. So that's usually a no for me, but Wander Beauty has really good products, so if you like cream blush, I would definitely pick this up. Since this is a product that I'm not going to use, I really don't want to swatch it because I want to be able to give it away. So yeah, I donate a lot of my makeup to women's shelters, so I like to keep them intact. Next up, we have the Saint Luxe Limited Edition Liner Duo. Holy shit, these are $40. All right, so these are the shades right here. So they're definitely some nice, like, cocoa-y shades, which really isn't my speed, but I will swatch these guys for you because I have a friend who likes these tones, and I'll just sanitize the tip for them. So we have Secret Admirer, which is like a teddy brown. And then this one, I take that back. I feel like I would definitely wear this shade. It looks very similar to what I'm wearing on my lips right now, but this is the shade Love Letter. It's like a berry brown. I don't know how to really explain it. It's like a brownie nude. Yeah. This lip liner duo makes lip shaping easier than ever with a creamy, long-lasting, and hydrating formula. The liner smoothly glides onto lips and blends with little to no effort. Achieve a fuller look by overlining lips just above the natural lip line and get a plump, kissable look. Is this Saint? Oh, never mind. I was just gonna say they're Saint Laurent. It's Saint Luxe Beauty Limited Edition Liner Duo. But like I said, those are $40. But I guess if it's a reusable pencil, is $20 each that expensive? I don't know. If you're somebody who's really into lip liners, maybe that's not that much for two, if they're both shades that you would actually wear. And last but not least, for this box, we have the Ace Beaute Nostalgia Palette. The Nostalgia Palette consists of 15 colors meant to inspire fun and creativity, as well as make you feel nostalgic about some awesome fun pastimes. Oh, I read that backwards. Some awesome past fun times. Seems like weird writing. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. I can't wait to try that vitamin C face mask. I think that's the most exciting part of that box. But I really think I'm gonna like the brushes too. And like I said, they are in this box as well. So I'm obviously not gonna talk about this product, I already talked about it. We're starting off this box on a really good note. I love this palette already. This is by Wander Beauty. This is the Wander Beauty Getaway Eye and Face Palette. This palette is $36, and it says, your go-to palette for the perfect getaway, featuring 6 highly pigmented shadows, a blush, and highlighter. Enriched with a blend of hyaluronic acid and mango seed butter to help hydrate the skin while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This really would be the perfect vacation palette. This is just something you can take with you. The only thing is, I wish they had like one shade deeper in here that I could really use as like a crease shade, because I don't know if this one's gonna be dark enough, but maybe it will. This is the palette that I'm gonna be using on my eyes, and I'm actually gonna be using the brushes. So I'm dipping into that shade Chateau. Oh, never mind, I lied. I feel like this is a really good transition shade for me. And these shades really are blending out super smoothly. It's just really nice. And it has a really luxurious feel to it, if that even makes any sense. Like they just feel like butter. I'm gonna go in with that shade Yacht. Yeah, this is definitely an everyday palette for me. Next up, we have the Tula Skincare So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. I don't know what it smells like gummy bears? Some kind of fruit snack? Okay, this was created with powerhouse ingredients like pink salt, volcanic sand, and witch hazel. This scrub helps target blackheads to deeply purify and minimize the look of pores. This is $32. It does feel very exfoliating, and I feel like it almost has a warming effect. I don't know if I'm like hallucinating, but it feels very warm on my hand. It also has probiotics, raspberry leaf, and pomegranate that reveal smoother, softer, and more balanced skin. And you can use this 2 to 3 times a week, which is a little bit more than a typical exfoliator. I think they normally say to do like 1 to 2 times a week, but this one I guess seems to be gentle enough to use that often. But yeah, I'm really excited to use this. I've never heard of volcanic sand in a product. That's really interesting. This one is really cool. Look at this guy. Has all the little hearts in there. Now it's not doing anything now that I go to show you guys. My camera is not focusing on it because this is a clear bottle. But this is the NCLA Beauty So Rich Love Potion. This is a limited edition Valentine's Day cuticle oil. The cult favorite So Rich formula contains safflower seed oil and vitamin E to hydrate and nourish your cuticles. I don't think I've ever used a cuticle oil. Is it just like a moisturizer for your cuticles? So you guys aren't gonna be able to see this on camera, but there are little tiny red sparkles on here, along with obviously all of the red hearts in there. But I don't think that the red hearts would be swept up in the dropper, but the little sparkles are. So So you'll have a slight glisten to your hands, but nothing crazy. I'm just rubbing this into my cuticles, massaging it in. You can see a little bit of a glow. This is really fun though. I love little things with sparkles. I don't know about you guys, but I used to love all of like, there used to be all kinds of like bath gels when I was younger with all the sparkles in it, and that brought so much joy to my life. I can't even explain to you guys. This just kind of brings me back to that same feeling. Last but not least, we have the Trestique Eye Duo, Good Vibes Mascara and Eye Pencil. Oh, this is like one thing. Okay, so this is what the whole tube looks like. This is pretty cool. My hands are all greasy from that oil. I might need to wipe them off. It almost looks like a pepper spray or something. You see, flip down to curl. What? Oh, I'm scared I'm gonna break this thing. Oh, okay, wait. Oh, what the heck? So it curls your lashes too. Do you guys see that? What? And this is also an eyeliner? Okay, so here's the mascara wand part of it. So it's a pretty classic hourglass tip. And I already have my top lashes done, so let me do my bottom so that you can actually see how it looks. Oh wow, this is a really good mascara. And then how do we get the eyeliner? Oh, never mind, the eyeliner's separate. Oh my god. All right. I was like, Jesus Christ, like this would be like a 5-in-1 item or 3-in-1. Right, so this is the eyeliner here. So if you take the back tip off, that is the smudger. And then obviously this side is the actual pencil. I love that this color is just gliding on so perfectly, and it has a lot of pigment. It's not taking a ton of layers to build it up. Sometimes my eyes get really watery, which makes that waterline a little watery. And then these just, like a lot of pencils just kind of skip, if you know what I mean. And it takes like a lot of finessing, but this went on really, really well. And I'll put it underneath here a little bit, and then I'll use the smudger. I really love this eyeliner. I actually really love this entire box. I feel like these are items that I would really reach for all the time. I mean, the eyeshadow palette I showed you guys. This is definitely a freaking everyday palette for me, especially if you watch my other videos. These are like the tones that I wear every day. But if you're looking for a vacation palette, such a great one to take. And keep in mind, it is $36, but it has that blush in there and it has the highlighter. Such a great deal. I'm actually gonna use that blush real quick. Ooh. Just such a nice soft rose. Just gives you that flush of color. And I like that this is packed with hyaluronic acid, so you don't have to worry about layering on too much of this and drying out your skin. Because if you have dry skin, these can come across a little chalky, typically. At least for me, when I have dry skin and putting on blush, I always get nervous about that. But this is going on really, really smoothly. And it does feel moisturizing in a weird way. Then that highlighter just feels like butter. I'm really excited about this cuticle oil. I'll definitely be using this. It feels so moisturizing, and I only used a tiny bit of it. And like I said, it's just fun. It's got that little sparkle factor. And the exfoliator, I cannot wait to use this. I'm a huge exfoliator fan. I don't even know what I'm trying to say, but this just seems like it has such cool ingredients in there, and I'm a sucker for really obscure ingredients. Like when I heard about that volcanic salt, I was like, I'm trying it. But let me know what product was your favorite in the comments down below. And if you guys have Boxycharm, what did you get in your box? But yeah, I guess today was kind of like a 2-for-1 video showing you guys 2 separate boxes. Normally I head off camera to finish up my makeup, do my eyelashes and all of that, and come back on, but I just want to get this video edited and up for you guys, so I'm not gonna do that today. But I hope that you liked the video anyway. Make sure to give this video a like if you liked it, that really helps me out. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. I hope that you guys can't hear me every time I talk with expression. These are just banging. But aren't they cute? Okay, bye guys.